Hello everyone, Sam is here from my ForexMagicWeb.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. The week started on the 4th of this week, on the 4th October, right? So this is one of the trade that I closed on the 4th, but the entry was way the previous day, the last Friday. Okay, and I didn't close on a Friday and held on to it and then closed on Monday. So this is for the 95 pip. Here's my entry. You can sell. This is sell order, right? You can see here. This is how it is. And on the 4th, Eurocad, again, this was the first one. Retrace, gave me another entry, sell order. Not much, but 45 pip the same day. On the 4th, pound USD, it went up. Beautiful buy order here. And it went up by the book. Let me see my mouse. Okay, I'm back. So 60 pip here. So these are on the 4th. Another one. This is the Bitcoin. I'm just started this one. I wasn't trading before, but I see, I made the chart and I see a lot of entries. So I just took this one, and then it went up big time, nice and clean. So I'm still, testing and making it perfect. Now on the 5th, pound yen for 100 pip. Here's the entry. Again, this is also 2 days worth. I didn't close here. So what happened? Retrace. That's what it is. If you're not focusing, it's not that I wasn't focusing. I wasn't available to close it. I had to go out and to do this, that. So, and it retraced in between. So that's what happened. But the next day it went up again, luckily, and I was expecting all yen pairs to the upside. So I held nice and clean, hoping that it will go up, and it went up. So 100 pip right there, 2 days worth, but yeah, still. Then pound franc is also went up, even though the yellow here was a little bit below the black, I think. But I said, you know what, pound is getting strong at that time. And I was feeling that it might go, and so I took a chance on this one, to be honest with you, and it went up because all other pound pairs were going up. So on the 5th, you see that pound newsy also, it came down, went up, and it came down. It says, what the heck? And the whole thing is like bullish, right? So I said, take a chance, let's see what happened, and boom, this is what happened. 90 pip to the upside. Pound newsy is a monster. When it moves big. On the 5th, again, pound Aussie, like I said, the pound was getting strong, so all pound pair went up. Pound yen, pound Aussie, pound Aussie, and pound USD. You just saw so far. So this was also along here for 60 pip on the 5th, right? And then 6th, I have nothing, and few setups, and then start to play out again. And but I didn't close anything on the 5th, but I closed on the 6th. So now comes 7th, the 7th October, Euro Aussie. Now Euro turn. Euro was getting weaker and going down. So all Euro pair were going down big time. So Euro Aussie went down on the 7th. Here, beautiful entry here. That was like I said, it was the entry was on the 6th, but I closed on the 7th. And I was why? Because my target, I even put on my Telegram that this thing is going for 58.27. So again, when it came down and hit the 58.27, I should have closed here, but I wasn't here. When I came back, it was here. So I said, let me see if it goes back again to the downside. Usually the price does that, right? One more time, try. So it went down here, and then I finally closed it. On the 7th, Eurocad. Man, this pair gave me like 6, 7, 8 trades in a row to the downside, and I'll show you why. What was the reason? So beautiful entry here, the third touch of this, stupid teal, and then boom, went down. There was an entry here, there was an entry here, but I was here inside in the trade already, so I wouldn't bother taking the second or third trade or whatever. I just one entry at a time. That's it. One pair, one entry. I do not make 2, 3 entry in the same day. And it's separate. If I close the first trade, then I can open. but not two entries at the same time. Sell here, and then for 90 pip, right from here to here. There was same like 80, 90 pip here, 90 or 100 pip here. It's a lot of beautiful trades, Eurocad. Then on the 7th, again, Aussie Yen. All Yen pair were going up, right? So you saw Pound Yen. This is Aussie Yen going to the upside. Beautiful entry here, 80 pip, buy order. And then you see USD CAD going to the downside. You will see all CAD, Eurocad, USD CAD, Pound CAD, everything down. Why? I'll show you at the end of the video. You will see. This is also on the 7th. See Pound CAD on the 8th today. Beautiful entry here. Came down and then it goes. Well, again, the entry was here when? Yesterday, 7th. I didn't close it because it just moved and then retraced. So let me see if I can, survive here. If not, then I would enter here. No big deal, right? This will be, knocked out at break even. Then I'll make an entry here. No problem. And would probably not, if not 90, then I'll get probably from here to here and take 10, 15 off. So 75, 80 pip anyway, again. So anyway, this worked out and it's 90 pip here. So the downside. And then again, you see, pound, there was first one here to here, close, second entry, Pound Yen, boom, went up on 8 today. And I just closed it a little while ago. But not much, but it's 50 pip. Big run already. So that's today. And on the 8th, also USD Yen now. So you saw the Pound Yen, couple of entries, Aussie Yen, and now this USD Yen for 70 pip. Again, it was an entry here. It went up, came back, beautiful entry again, which I didn't take it because I was in the trade already. So it went up here, 70 pip. So these are the one. So let me show you that why all CAD pairs went down. Where CAD was like USD CAD, Euro CAD, Pound CAD. CAD is on the right hand side all the time. CAD pairs went down because of CAD strength and how I was able to pinpoint that it's going to get strong. This is CAD index, which I made on 25th, saying that this thing powerfully going to the upside, so it's going to break this area 54.78 and go for 57.51. Doing so, it will keep getting strong every day, and you will have trades to the downside every day. Except like CAD Yen, it will go up because CAD is on the left hand side, right? But I didn't trade, even though I told my subscribers that CAD Yen is a very good candidate to go up. But myself, I didn't put it on the radar. I wasn't checking it, and it was not on my list this week because I had other trades. So, but it went up. It went up. I'll show you the chart. So CAD index, what happened to this chart? Look, this exactly where I said that it's going to go, 57.51 right now. I just made this chart a little while ago. So because of this, CAD was getting strong, sending all those CAD pairs to the downside where the CAD was on the right hand side, like Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD. Now let me show you Eurocad, why it is. First, let me show you the CAD index. This is the CAD Yen pair, by the way. Okay, let me show you how I had this one. No, this is okay. CAD Yen. I made this chart on the 29th, saying that this is the wave 3. We're gonna come down here for wave 4. What happened to this chart? Came down. Then I made a new chart on the 25th September saying it'll go up, and look what happened. Whoops. Where the heck go? Here. You see that? CAD Yen went up. Right? So this is where it is. But I didn't take any entry. You know that. And but let me show you where the entries were. There entries on this one. Look at that. This is how it went. Entry, 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 boom. Right? But I didn't trade this pair this week at all. But yeah, so CAD. Now Euro index, Eurocad. First, let me show you Eurocad. What the heck happened to that? And I had so many trades in that, so many trades. Let me just refresh. And then you can see for yourself. Look at that. Okay. I had started from here. That was the trade. This is the trade. This was the trade. Then I had this short, this short. Then I had this one, this one, this one. And again, I think there was this one or this one. All of these, I shorted the damn thing. Why? Because this is what's happening. CAD, because of the CAD. CAD index was flying there. And see this 50-53? This is where it was stopped, and boom, boom. And then 2 weeks prior to this week were like all solid black candles. So I said, well, this thing is going to drop again. And this week it did already. So, right. So this was the final target here, the white line here. We are very close to that. We may bounce from there or may break it. Time will tell. But the TL was broken, and the 43.77 is in the question right now. So that's why because of CAD, and then CAD was getting strong, but what added the fuel to this big drop here is Euro index as well. Let me show you the Euro index. How badly it came down. Right from the TL, it dropped. See this? Touching the TL. I had my before chart that, when it was hitting the TL. And from there, start dropping. And then final target is here. So we're not finished yet. It's keep going. Next week is going to drop again. Maybe a little retrace, go back testing this one, 28.19 or 29.01, and then continue to the, towards D, point D. So this is Euro. That's why all Euro pairs went down. CAD was getting strong. And that's why, see, it is, that's why it is so important to watch the index, that if you can catch the direction in the index, you literally have multiple choice for trade. You can, like for example, Euro, you have at least 5-6 pairs in Euro, right? Involving Euro, Euro USD, Euro Yen, Euro CAD, Euro Pound, God knows what, right? So Euro Aussie, right? So all of these, they went down because Euro weakness. Now, if a counter currency is also getting strong, that is like adding fuel to the fire. For example, Eurocad, CAD was getting strong big time. Euro was getting weaker big time. Imbalance was great, and Eurocad got crushed. That's how it is. So now let me show you what I already showed you here. So now, similarly, the Euro USD, by the way, you can see that I had this Euro USD from 29th May, showing the target would be this area, 1638 and 1537. As of today, yesterday actually, we touched the 1537. I made this chart yesterday, so we were a little shy, but today we touched it. So this is how my analysis first, and then I take the trades according to my analysis and according to the index. I'm watching the index on the other computers, this index, that index, and as they go along, whoever is getting weaker. Now, yen, why all yen pairs were getting strong? That's the question, right? Sorry, yen pairs were going up, not strong, but going up. All yen pairs. The reason for that is, let me show you. I don't have the chart open, but I'll find it quickly. Don't worry. Yen weekly. Okay, so last chart I made was this. All right, so this one, you can see here that when it was here, I said this is the Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 5. So we're gonna go up, and all yen pairs will go up if that happens. If that happens, right? Let's see if that happened. Yen index. Look at that, right? So now big powerful move to the upside, going up. Now yen index is just the opposite of all the indexes. When yen index is going up, yen is getting weaker. Yen is always on the right hand side in each and every single pair. So what happened? That's why I wrote down here that if that happens, yen is going to get weaker and all yen pairs will go up because yen is on the right hand side. So pound yen, USD yen, Aussie yen, every yen, your CAD yen, everything yen going up big time. And we have a long way to go. So euro is dropping big time, yen. So euro yen, which I didn't take any trade, but I'll show you, I'll tell you right now that euro yen is also getting crushed. Let's go take a look. I didn't take any trade because it's too many pairs. So if I'm concentrating 4 or 5 pairs, so what the hell with everything else? You know what I'm saying? We can't do that. Okay, let me see. What happened here? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Now, the problem here, what happened here? Euro yen. I was wrong telling you that it's gonna went down because euro, I just showed you, it was going down, getting weaker badly. But on the other hand, yen was also getting weaker badly. So that's why this pair didn't move much, but it went up in favor of yen. Means yen was getting more weaker than euro. So that's why you can see here that it was first euro chance, and then after that this. So this is what happens when both currencies either getting strong or weaker at the same time. The pair goes into ranging like that. So we don't want that. We want to stay away from these pairs like that. We want to trade like, for example, euro going down, Aussie was getting strong. So euro Aussie, big, good trade. Similarly, euro USD. Similarly, yen pairs, pound yen going to the upside. Yes, CAD strong, getting strong. USD weak, so USD CAD short. So that's how I watched the indexes on other computers, and then the pairs. This is how it is. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to make some new charts and send out to my subscribers. And let's see how the next week is going to go. But this week was wonderful. 15 trades. I had my 5, 6 SL hit, right, with some like 10 pips, some 15. 1 or 2 were like full 25 pip. My SL is always less than 25. So those are insignificant compared to the trade that runs in my favor. They go like 190, 75, and that's where the math is, right? If I lose only 10, 15 pip. If I make, if I'm right, then I make a 70, 80, 90, 100 pip. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and like I said, have a wonderful weekend, and talk to you guys later.